Financial experts have criticized the policy of auctioning out currency in the central bank reserve to commercial banks, saying it has failed to lower the inflation rate and only benefit foreign banks in the country. Ahmed Morgan, a lecturer of economics at the University of Juba, said the policy has created a situation of competition among Forex Bureau and commercial banks. There is already a competition between the companies and the Forex Bureau who want to get that US dollar here. And this one will compel the central bank actually to make the auction as higher, say the economists. The statement is in response to central bank policy of fighting inflation by auctioning millions of dollars it reserved to commercial and forex exchange banks. Morgan said the practice has contributed to the deteriorating inflations and escalating the situation for consumers as well as for business community in South Sudan. According to him, the high demand for hard currency has tempted the central bank to raise the exchange rate and worsen deflation. Speaking at the Sundown talk show on iRadio, the economist said auctioning of currency will not solve the issue of inflation. So the demand continued to rise for hard currency to satisfy the need of those who need it, and mostly the foreign business, he said. In July alone, the central bank has auctioned nearly $47 million to Forex Bureau and commercial bank as a measure to stabilize the inflated exchange rate. The hard currency from the bank reserve were retailed in 8 segments, with the highest singles auction at $8 million and the lowest at $3 million in US currency. However, despite the continuous auctioning of dollar, the local currency has continued to depreciate, resulting in skyrocketing price and high cost of living. The renowned economic lecturer explained that auctioning will not stabilize the exchange rate because the hard currency are siphoned out of the country by the foreign investors. What we know is that most foreign business will have to repatriate their profit home. The hard currency that is being injected by the central bank does not always circulate in South Sudan. For instance, if I am a business person and let's say I have $1 million, I will bring goods worth of $700,000. The other 300,000, if it is my profit, I don't bring it back to South Sudan. For his part, Stephen O'Meary, a graduate of Master in Business Administration and currently a PhD student of Strategic Management at the University of Nairobi, appealed to the government to empower local businessmen. O'Meary believes investing in the country business community will help retain the hard currency and revive the economy. It is very difficult for the government to control the foreign traders because they have already been licensed to operate in this country. The government needs to invest in South Sudanese business people, because when you are investing in your people, the money will be circulated within the South Sudanese economy.